Today, I'm going to show you how to service your K&N air filter on your 2022 Tacoma. First thing first, pop the hood. All right, here she is. This hood weighs about 100 pounds. I think they made this thing out of lead. So I'll try and do this one-handed. There we go. All right, we got a 1 and a 2. There we go. So, like most of you, I'm sure you have more than 10,000 miles or 6,000 miles, whatever you're supposed to have on these things. The engine side looks nice and clean, so it's doing its job. But, look what we got here. Dirty. We're gonna get that nice and clean. I'm gonna show you how to use that K&N Clean Kit. All right, so I just grabbed a little half-eaten 24 can soda box, and this actually fits in here perfect. Look at this. So that'll be a nice little holder while you work on it. And you take this K&N Power Kleen. It says spray thoroughly, wait 5 minutes, rinse it off. So here we go. If this handle would work. Come on. There we go. Now we're cruising. Then you want to flip it over, get the other side nice and good. Oh yeah. All right, so now we are thoroughly soaked, and now we wait. We want the other side to look like that. Get all that dirt. So this is actually, I'm not gonna lie, 50,000 miles. This is not good. It's not what you should do with the air filter, but I think it was still doing its job. All right, now that we're thoroughly soaked, now we wait. Okay, this is something I never do, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. I actually read the directions here, and liberally spray cleaner onto both sides of the filter. Soak for 10 minutes, loosen the dirt. Do not allow cleaner to dry on the filter. I did not see that, so good thing we're only about 7 minutes into this. Next, it says to rinse with soapy water. So let's get some warm soapy water going on here. What we got here for OxyClean? I think that's a little aggressive. Let's get some else. This looks good. Some champagne apple honey we're gonna go with. Watch out, it's about to get soapy in here. I think it's sufficient. Now we got a big soapy ring going there. I think we're good. Turn that off. Drop her in. So this is the before. After this video, I did look up online, and it did say to only flush water at low pressure the direction the air flows. Nice soup. Let's see what this looks like. Woo! It's looking a lot better. Let's see the back side. Look at that, one uniform color. That looks way better. Works nice. It's good to blow out the filter when you're done. So we'll turn this on, get some pressure. So we got about 60 pounds of pressure in there. You don't want to blow the freaking filter apart, so let's just start with that. It did say to air dry online. This is just to try and get all the debris out of the filter from this 50,000 mile interval. Out of there, that didn't come out in the rinse. As you can see, there's still a couple little things in there. So filter's looking minty. What we want to do is let it dry now. Got a brand new box for it, so it's looking good on both sides. What we're gonna do is let it sit overnight, and we'll see ya tomorrow morning. All right, it is the next day. It is bright outside, and we're gonna spray this filter. All you do is put a little oil on there. So you want to use the K&N air filter oil. Shake it up, and you want to douse this good on both sides. So here goes the intake side. You should be getting a little red on the screens there. That's probably pretty good for that side, and we'll do the other and let it set up. Alrighty, now it's all red and uniform. Put it back in. Get the clips back on. Thanks for watching. I know this is a simple process, but some people haven't done it before, and hopefully it helps somebody. Subscribe to 2 Acres.